Hi, I'm attorney Ben Schwartz. Today we're going to answer a viewer question from Mary in Seaford, Delaware. She says her grandmother was getting in her car in the parking lot and there was a great big dog in the car next door. The dog started barking and lunging. It didn't get Grandma, but it surprised her enough that she fell down and broke her hip. And is that a case? Yes, that's a case. Essentially, in Delaware, I'm assuming this happened in Seaford, Delaware, or near Seaford, Delaware, but in the state of Delaware, the owner of the dog is legally responsible for any injuries that are caused by the dog. And when people look at the law, they oftentimes think that it applies only to dog bite injuries, but the dog law in Delaware applies to dog bite injuries, dog knockdown injuries. It applies to injuries where dogs run out into the road and cause accidents. Any injury that's caused by the dog owner is legally responsible for all of the damages, for all of the compensation that must be awarded to the injured person. So it sounds like Grandma does have a case for her knockdown injuries. There's a question here that, as far as I'm aware, hasn't been answered by any Delaware court, and that is if the dog does not actually make contact with the grandmother in order to knock her down. It's just that she's so surprised by the dog lunging at her that she loses her balance. Is that a defense? And I don't know the answer to that question. That's not something that, as far as I know, has ever been answered by a Delaware court. But it definitely looks like a case to me. And anytime someone is injured by a dog in the state of Delaware, the Delaware law is very clear that it's the owner's responsibility. I'm attorney Ben Schwartz. Hope you found this video informative and entertaining. I hope it gives you something to think about other than the political stuff that is frequently coming across the news feed on Facebook. If you enjoyed this video, send me an email, ben.schwartz@schwartzandschwartz.com. I enjoy getting emails. I enjoy getting feedback from our viewers. If you have a question, send it to me. Maybe it's something that I can answer on the air, something I can answer on the internet, on our video blog, or on our Facebook page. You can also contact us through our Facebook page. We're at facebook.com/schwartzandschwartz, and you can send a message there. You can comment there on this video. Thanks for watching. Keep watching, and I'll keep making videos.